Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a strawberry daiquiri and starting off I'm getting my ingredients from Waitrose. Reason being, they were the only shop near me that does the Havana 3-year-old rum, which I really like using in this cocktail. I like earthy textures and flavours. I think brown sugar as a sweetener is great for this cocktail especially. So we're going to start off by getting some brown sugar. Limes, of course, very important for daiquiris. We're going to use those to get some fresh lime juice. Now for fruit, in this case I'm using strawberries as we are making a strawberry daiquiri, but you can use pretty much any fruits that you like to flavour your daiquiri. I find banana is actually a really fun one to try out as well. So, first things first, you'll want to prepare your sugar syrup using the brown sugar we got and lime juice. I then start off by chilling a glass or leaving a glass to chill with ice inside. Then in your shaker you want to add your strawberries. Following that, a double shot or 50 milliliters of Havana Club 3-year-old. And then giving it a very good muddle. After you muddled the strawberries and rum together, I then add 25 milliliters of lime juice, freshly squeezed. And after that, 15 milliliters of the sugar syrup we have prepared. Then add ice to the shaker, all your ingredients together. You want to give it a good, hard, vigorous shake so it's chilled and mixed in. After that, you want to strain your ingredients into your chilled glass. Make sure you empty it first. You'll notice that I only single strain. I'm not using a fine strainer as well. The reason is I like the texture that the I guess smashed up fruit that you're using being in the drink. I do think it adds a lovely texture to daiquiris. Yeah, and then after garnishing, that is complete. You have your strawberry daiquiri. So I create cocktails and run events and masterclasses around London. So please check out my website and feel free to reach out on Instagram or email also. Links are all going to be below. Thank you very much guys. Have a lovely day.